Hey, it's Nick Dadamio back with you. Hope you're having a great Friday. Let me say something that might sting a little bit. Most high ticket deals don't fall apart because you didn't say the right thing. They fall apart because the buyer can't sell you internally. They like you, they want the result, but when they walk into a meeting with finance, operations, or their boss, they don't have a clean story. They don't have proof, and they don't know how to defend the decision. So today I'm going to give you a simple process that solves the real problem. How do you help your buyer build internal confidence, navigate stakeholders, and move the deal forward without chasing, discounting, or getting stuck in send me something land? And if you stay to the end, I'll give you the one question that instantly reveals whether this deal is real or it's just interest. In high ticket selling, the prospect isn't your only buyer. The real buyer is the internal room that you're not in. So your process has to create a champion, someone who can explain why this matters now, why your approach is the best path forward, and why the risk is controlled. If you don't build a champion, you end up doing maybe follow-ups for 45 days. Step 1, create the decision story. That's a tool almost nobody uses, the decision story. Before you ever talk about the solution in detail, build this with them. Here's the current cost of the problem. Number 2, here's the outcome we're committed to. 3, here's why this approach works. And number 4, here's what happens if we delay. Then ask, if you had to explain this to your leadership in 30 seconds, how would you say it? If they can't say it cleanly, the deal isn't ready yet, because confusion doesn't get approved. Step 2, stakeholder mapping. High-ticket deals are lost when you're single-threaded, one contact, one relationship, one perspective. So do a fast stakeholder map. Ask, who will love this? Who will resist it? Who can kill it quietly? And who needs to look smart for this to happen? Then you turn that into an action plan. What does each stakeholder care about? What proof will they demand? What's the risk they'll focus on? And this is how you stop getting blindsided late. Step 3, build proof like a prosecutor. High-ticket buyers don't need more claims, they need evidence. Here's the proof structure that wins. Before, after, and the friction in the middle. Before, what was broken? The friction. What made it hard to fix? The after, what changed and how they measured it. Then add the detail that makes it believable. Timeline, constraints, what they tried before, and the measurable results. When proof is specific, it becomes portable, meaning your champion can repeat it internally. Step 4, pre-handle procurement. Procurement isn't your enemy. Procurement is predictable, so don't wait for it to appear at the end. Bring it forward. Ask them, what does procurement typically push on? Terms, pricing, risk, timelines? What's your approval threshold? Where procurement gets involved? If they ask for concessions, what are you willing to trade and what are you not willing to trade? This is the negotiation power move. You don't react, you prepare. And if you don't know the approval thresholds early, you're just guessing. Step 5, create a mutual action plan. Most pipelines die because next steps are vague. So create a simple mutual action plan on the call. Stakeholder meetings, who and when. Proof review, case studies and references, security and legal timelines, if you need them, decision-making meeting date, onboarding start date. Then say, if we don't have a decision meeting on the calendar yet, it's not a deal. So what date makes sense for you? That one line changes everything. And here's a question I promised before, the one that tells if the deal is real. What happens internally if you don't solve this? If they say, nothing, really, we'll just keep dealing with it, then you know you don't have a high ticket deal. You have a nice conversation. But if they say, we'll miss targets, lose customers, burn the team out, or risk leadership confidence, now that deal has gravity. And if you want my high ticket deal decision story template in my one-page mutual action plan, DM me map or comment map below, and I'll send it out to you. Hit the subscribe button below, or check out my link to other social media channels in my bio. Thanks again for stopping in today. We'll talk to you again next Friday. This is Nick Dadamio. Have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.